Today I'm opening a Vinsolar type solar system. It's not working anymore, so I decided to open it and learn what's inside. This is the solar panel. Its job is to convert sunlight into DC electricity. When sunlight hits the panel, it generates a small voltage and current that flows into the system. Inside we find two sealed lead-acid batteries. These are rechargeable batteries that store the solar power or main grid power. When there is a power cut, these batteries release the stored energy to keep devices running. The UPS keeps them charged automatically. This is the main circuit board, the brain of the system. It does three important jobs. 1. Charges the batteries safely using power from solar or the main grid. 2. Monitors power supply. When the main power fails, it quickly switches to battery power. 3. Converts power. It makes sure the output voltage is stable so that devices like lights, routers, or fans can run safely. Here are the red and black wires that connect the batteries, solar panel, and circuit board together. You can also see the main switch and output ports. This is where we plug in LED bulbs, Wi-Fi routers, or other small devices that need backup power. When the cover is closed, it just looks like a small box. But inside, it's a complete mini power station, solar panel, charger, batteries, and inverter all working together. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more simple tech explanations. Thanks for watching. I am not an expert. I opened this just to learn. If you know more details about Vinsolar systems, please comment below and share your knowledge.